We're now up to query 13, which is our third last query. And with this one, we're looking at the products bought by each customer, so she can advertise other products to them. Well, let's look at what we need to know. We need to know the products, and we need to know customer information. Okay, but customer is not connected to product directly. It's connected via the invoice line item product stream. So what we need to do is we need to actually join all of these four tables together to be able to get to join customer and products together. So let's start doing that. Now let's look at how they connect together. Email address here, invoice number here, and product number here. So we'll start by putting that in our SQL statement. So we don't worry about the select yet. We're going to start from customer because we want to know about the products bought by each customer. So our customers first, then the products that they've bought. From customer, join, the next in the join was invoice, and we needed to use email address to join those two together. Okay, to that result set we can join line item to actually get some information about the line items in each invoice, and that used the primary key foreign key relationship of invoice number. We then can join that result set, which has got customer invoice information with line items. We can actually put the product information into that by saying join product using product number. Okay, so now we've got our join. Yes. Now what we need is we need some information. So let's look at, we probably need the first name and the last name of the customer. Thinking about what we need, let's go back. The products bought by each customer so she can advertise other products to them. Well, she's concentrating on contacting the customers, so probably we need the customer information first and then the product information afterwards, rather than the other way around. So let's look at first name, last name, and then probably the product number and the description. Now the next thing that we do is we look at each of these attributes and see whether any of them are in more than one table. Well, first name isn't, last name isn't, description isn't, but product number is. So what we might want to do is put an alias here, join product as P, and then we can put P dot product number there, which just makes sure that we understand which table we're getting that product number from. Okay, so we now have the customer's details and the products that they've bought, which is really great. Let's order it. Let's order it by the last name and then the first name, even though we're actually putting the columns around the other way. Okay, so let's click on Go and see how that looks in our results set. Okay, we have first name, last name, product number, description. This is really interesting. Can you see what I can see? Ralph Abel has bought Kitchen Remodeling Basics Video and Video Companion. He's bought them twice. At least twice. No, twice. So he's probably bought them, thought that they were really great, and then bought them again for a friend. So we probably don't want a result set that looks like this because it's got some doubles in it. So what we would like to do is to remove those doubles, and remembering that we're removing the whole doubles of the whole row, not just doubles of, some of the attributes. So we can put in distinct because we want to know just the types of products. If we're not trying to find out how many of the products or anything else, we're just trying to find out what products were sold to that person, so that they can then be used to market to them. Okay, so I can click on Go, and you can see now that we've got rid of our doubles, and there are some people that have only bought a few things and they could probably be marketed to, and other people have bought quite a lot, and probably we're going to have to search for things to actually sell them. But we've got our list that we wanted. So it was the products bought by each customer so she can advertise other products to them, and that's what we've done. And that's query 13.